grade 3. Today we are going to study lesson 69. So before starting our lesson, we have to remember how to tell time. We use two types of clocks, analog clock and digital clock. Analog clock with numbers and pointer, shorthand and longhand. Shorthand for hours and longhand for minute. And we have 24 hours in a day and 60 minutes in an hour. So look at this analog clock. So we have numbers from 1 to 12. We have 12 hours AM and 12 hours PM, and between each two numbers we have 5 minutes, so we can skip count by 5 steps. When minute hand point to 1, it means 5 minutes, and skip count by 5 point to 2, it means 10 minutes, and skip count by 5 when long hand point to 3, it means 15 minutes. On 4 it means 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and on 12 it is 60 minutes, but we write 0, 0 here. So now if he asked me to represent a digital clock on analog clock, what shall we do? Here we have 27 past 4, 27 minutes and 4 hours. So minute hand will point to what? We can skip count by 5, so 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, and then count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, then 26, 27. So minute hand will point to this dash, long hand for 27, and 4 hours, so short hand will be between 4 and 5. It moves 4 hours, and so it must be long hand, short hand. The next digital clock is 7 past 5, 7 minutes and 5 hours. So minute hand will point to 7, the 7th dash, so 5, after 5, 6, 7, so long hand here, and short hand, hour hand, point to 5. Next we have 49 past 2, so 49, skip count by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. After 45, skip count by 1 step, so 46, 47, 48, 49. So minute hand will point to this dash, long hand for minutes, and 2 hours. So we have 49 is a greater number of minutes, so our hands will be between 2 and 3 and nearest to 3, so short hand near to 3. Next it is quarter past 3, 15 minutes and 3 hours. So minute hand will point to 3, skip count by 5, 10, 15, and short hand point to 3, but between 3 and 4 here. It is 35 past 6, 35, skip count by 5 to minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35 here. So draw minute hand. And 6 hours, but our hand will be in the middle distance between 6 and 7. So we can write here. Now 58 minutes and 12 hours. So count by 5, or we can say that 58 is less than 60 by 2 steps. So we can say the minute hand point to this dash, and the hour hand is nearest to 1 because it have to move only 2 minutes to be 1 clock. So now the next is 16 past 9. So count by 5, 5, 10, 15. After 15 by 1 step, so the long hand to this dash, and 9 short hand. And you can complete this clock. Now to book page 32. Read and solve each problem. Show your work in the first strategy box. Then use a different strategy to solve problem. So we use 2 strategies to solve any problem for the following. So exercise 1. The park has 150 trees. 152 trees. There are 88 figs. So the total of trees is 152. The first type of figs is 88 for figs. The rest of the trees are palm tree. Okay, and the rest or the left trees for palm tree but the number of this palm tree is unknown, missing number. So he asked me how many more figs trees are there than palm tree. Okay, he asked me to know how many more figs than palm tree. So figs is greater than palm tree, but how many palm trees? We have to find the number of palm tree, so we can do subtract. We can say 152 minus 88 equals what? So 1 minus what? So 4 and 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4, and 4 minus 8 can't be, so borrow. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So palm trees equals 64 trees. Now we go to the next step. How many more? So greater minus smaller, 88 minus 64. So 8 minus 4 equals 4, and 8 minus 6 equals 2. This is the first strategy we used. And the second strategy, you can use number line strategy, expanded form, or place value picture, or inverse operation to check your result. So we can say 88 plus what equals 152. This is a second strategy, and then we can find the missing number here, and then we we can say the same steps. 88 minus 64 equals 24, and we can use the same strategy in the first step. So we can say 64 plus what equals 100, sorry, equals 88. And get 24 here. Next exercise. There are 17 young crocodiles and 19 adult crocodiles. The crocodiles are placed equally into 4 areas. Okay, how many crocodiles are in each area? To get the number for each area, we have to find the total number of crocodiles at first. So we have 17 young and 19 adult. So get the total at first. 9 plus 7 equals 16, 6 under group 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 36 crocodiles. All crocodiles are 36, and then we can get the number in each area. So all crocodiles divided by 4 areas. Now 36 divided 4, what times 4 equals 36? We can say 9. So this is the first strategy here, and the second strategy we can use number line strategy or expanded or place value. You can complete this now. Next page, math journal. Reflect on your learning about solving complex story problems. Means 2 steps or multi-step problem. As we solve previous exercise, we have tried different strategy, applied different properties of each operation, shared our work with each other, and found and fixed errors. What have you learned? What has been successful for you? Here you can say the successful strategy for you, and what do you still need to work? What is the strategy? You see that you have to learn more. So you can write what you learn here and what you have to learn. And this is all for today. Thank you.